What's up, everybody? How are y'all doing? I haven't been on here and live like I should be in a while, but I'm just checking in with you guys. I just wanted to say hello, hello, hello. I pray you guys are having a marvelous Monday. I know I did a lot of working this morning, but I am home relaxing. That's the joys of it. You know, you get to work and do what you can when you can. So, on that note, I wanted to talk to you guys about this just one simple thing, okay? A lot of us, we make making money very, very hard, okay? We make this thing like it's going to be some very hard formulated thing for you, and you got to get this in order, and you got to do that, and you just have to realize, you guys, at least for me, okay? And at least if you're in this group, we all have one thing in common, okay? And that is this right here, your body, all right? Right here. We all have a body. We all should be taking care of our body. We all should be doing what needs to be done as far as antioxidants, vitamins, whatever we can do to make sure our immune system is good, to make sure our blood cells are flowing properly, to make sure that our blood pressure is leveled, regulated, whatever. We all have that one thing in common, okay? So for me in the health and wellness business, this is a very easy principle, okay, you guys? All you have to realize is that we all need to make sure that we stay where our body is regulated, whether it's losing weight or, like I said, just regulating, okay? We all need to make sure that our blood pressure is good. We are not stressing, we're not overthinking, we're not over exerting ourselves. We all are on that same base. We are all on that same field, okay? So instead of saying, I can't sell, I can't, get people to buy, it's very simple. Like I said, stop putting it to them like you're trying to sell, okay? Stop putting it to them. Yes, you're at the end of the day, you're trying to close a sale. You're trying to help them. You're trying to, better yourself and better your lifestyle and your family. But be a product of the product. Not only be a product of the product, but like I said, realize we all need something in this business, okay? So we have essential oils. We have our oxygen drops. I've been posting all day about our O2 drops. We have our Laura greens, okay? It's over 9 different types of greens in that drink. I drink it almost every day. I had it this morning. I wanted to take a picture, but I was too sweaty, so I didn't want to do that. But we have Laura greens. We have Laura Fit coffee. So if you know people or if you yourself love coffee, and you want to say, hey, I can do the drink to shrink concept, but with my coffee. You could sell iced coffee to people. Come on, you guys. There's so many things out there, right? So we all have this in common, all right? That we have a body. We need to take care of it. We need to make sure that it's good. We need to make sure that what we're putting in our body is helping us, is benefiting us. Not a lot of people want to hear that all the time, but at the end of the day, I'd rather be there for people to fix their lives and get themselves in order now before they have to get to the hospital, before they have to get to the doctors, okay? I have people texting me, hitting me up all the time. Hey, can I get my juice? Hey, can I get this? Hey, can I get that? It's like they know who to come to, and they can come to you, but you have to just make it simple for everyone, okay? Make it simple. Like I said, stop doing this as rocket science. I gave you that little concept today, all right? That we all have a body. We all need to live healthy. Whether it's your version of healthy, you don't have to be vegan. You don't have to, go off the cliff and just foraging for your food. But you still need to be cognizant of what you're putting in your body, what your intake is, A lot of people, they always was like, ew, you eat quail. Ew, you eat rabbit. Ew, you eat the eggs. But I know where it's coming from. I know what I'm feeding them, okay? So that, I know I got on that tangent, but like I said, it's very imperative, okay? It's very imperative that we understand what we're putting in our body, all right? And with Laura Life, we have so many ways, so many tools, so many things that help you boost your immune system. I'm a guy, so I don't go to the doctors like I should all the time. However, I went to the doctors like 2 weeks ago, and my doctor was like, oh, you're healthy as an ox, as a bull, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh, really? Like, I had this cough, and I don't know. He's like, oh, no, you're good. I'm like, okay. So it's because I make sure I have my Laura greens that helps keeps my arteries clear. It keeps your heart, age-proofs your heart. If you're not like me, I eat vegetables, but I don't eat them all the time. So I can do the Laura greens because I get my intake in, okay? I get my intake in, and then I'm able to go and do other things. I'm able to be out cutting lawns and such, and I just drinking it like it's a water bottle. The cats be harassing the dogs. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, you have to realize, you guys, okay? We all have this one common thing, which is our body. You need to take care of it. I don't care what that definition is to you. You need to make sure that your body is good, okay? You need to make sure that what you're putting in your body is healthy, is beneficial, is helping you, okay? Making sure that you're doing what you can do, all right? So I got some exciting things. I'm not going to tell you too much, but this is the private Facebook group, so you get more access than everyone else. But we're starting with the mushrooms. We're starting with, we have our quail, we have our rabbits, things of that sort, but we're starting with herbs. So we have a lot of different herbs outside now. I'm doing different teas and concoctions like hibiscus tea. I really want to get into apothecary, but it's really a process, you guys. So, like I said, like I just said now, it's a process. Don't rush it, but understand. Make it as simple as you can, okay? It's just, make it simple. Make it simple, okay, you guys? I love you. I pray y'all have a great day. I actually have to go and mail off some drink to shrink orders. I have some more drink to shrink orders to mail off. Tell me, you guys, for all the newbies that are here in the group, tell me what you are looking for in this group. We have a survey up above. If you watch that survey, look at the survey, and let me know what you guys want in this group so we can make sure that we're giving you content that you need, okay? And invite people. We have a promotion where if you invite people, you get $50, okay? And if you're looking for the drink to shrink system, if you invite people for that and they pay over $50, you get a free race trainer as well as them if they need it. All right, you guys? So stay tuned, stay connected, subscribe, put your names out there, put your information, your businesses out there, let other people see and know what you got going on, what you're doing, okay? This is what the group is for. I love you guys. Have a great day.